I was built for this, for the blood and sweat, for the long shot eyes and a no-name.
Big American guy. Eh?
boy.
Ram, vet, 4th of July, bald eagles.
Yes, sirs.
I wanted this video to be about everything that I've learned in my first few events, drifting, and I hope you find it helpful.
You stupid.
Hello.
How's that road?
It was good. My shirt just wet a little bit.
Your shirt is wet? Yeah, that's okay.
My shirt, not my
Yeah.
short. Still sus.
Still sus. Think sick.
Oh, that's nice. Is that Billie Eilish?
The car we'll be drifting is this E36 328i M52B28 stock, just the M3 LSD. That's all.
We just came here. It's so windy. Laying stuff up. Obviously it's a small event, but we passed tech.
Passing tech is pretty much passing a safety check.
So we can put this on here. Some of the cars here are cool. Maybe I should do a little walk around, except that one. But I think he's somewhat pro.
Second time on the track ever. First time was a shakedown for the car after a manual swap and an engine rebuild. So the goal here is not to crash the car, have some fun, and make it back home in one piece. Everything else is just a plus. So this is our track. First and second turn is not going to happen. We need to initiate a third gear, and there's no way we can do that being an amateur drifter. 4 is cool, 5 is way too long, 6 is not going to happen, but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is our focus this day or event. As I mentioned, it's not my first time on this track. That's why I drifted the first lap, but try not to do that. I didn't give it enough beans here, but that's what you want rather than drowning in bean juice, because that's when people actually crash. This is the 5th turn we're talking about, and it's super straight after onto the 6th turn, which is extremely hard to link unless you have a very fast car. And we're coming into turn 7 here. As we can see here, my car is unable to build wheel speed, and that's because I'm stuck in the first gear. And shortly after, I realized I'm going to be in second gear, pretty much the whole track here. And that helps because the momentum and the speed pretty much allows you to carry over to the next turn. And when you're coming out of the turn, you're able to feather the gas, which helps with coming out of the turn a little more smooth. And you can see here my car just whipping side to side when it's coming out. It's because gaining traction back.
One of the biggest point here is that I need to carry enough speed going into the turn, and when I'm in the turn, I don't want to have too much angle to the point that it kills my speed. However, the angle saves me a lot, so the angle kit is actually very good purchase for later on when you have enough practice, but try to build that confidence slowly.
Later in the day, I'm clutch kicking the first turn in second gear, which is great. But coming from the first turn to the second, I need a clutch kick, which I don't. And I lose some wheel speed and I just straighten out. But I learned that soon later that day, that I need to be clutch kicking in between transitions. Here's when I first linked 3 turns back to back, which is pretty nice, but job not finished. Right about now is when I realized going from 9 to 10, I have to munge it unless I'm not making that straight.
I'm literally doing this shit. I'm literally doing this shit, bro. Fuck. Let's get some tunes going on. Last lap, last lap. We can't get greedy. We cannot get greedy.
Here comes that mini manji that I need to link 9 to 10. By the end of the first day, I was able to link turn 8 all the way to 12, which was a success. On to the next day.
The next day.
Air up my tires in the rear. 37 is not good. That guy was saying running 80. It was nuts. We had so much success and fun in those 2 days. I don't want to ruin it by just sending it too hard last few hours.
That was sick! Let's do it again! I was never really that close.
Successful event. 2 days. The temps climbed up twice to like past half, like 60%. So I did not like that at all. Other than that, we're good. My diffuser dropped, didn't even break. But when I had the hood up, I didn't have it tied down with the bungee cord and it broke. Unfortunately, that's, I guess, the biggest casualty we got this weekend. And I'm totally okay with that. I'm very grateful. This car's good, but we definitely need some temp gauge just so we know if the car's going hot or not. But 2 days back to back, 93, 94 degrees. So it was pretty hot, but the car did great. I loved it. And I made some great progress, I feel like. Just time for a handbrake now.